Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Collins Imudia Foundation, they share food give people for Benin City for Edo State. Part 2. If you know say you missed the first one, it did this my YouTube channel. You fit go there, go watch and may you see the way it start to dey share this food give people for Benin. You see the way all these people they happy they receive this food. If you like wetin Collins Imudia Foundation they do for Edo State, if you like to join am, him phone number dey this video, make you contact am, and the account number still dey here. So make I leave you now, make you see the way these people they happy they receive this food wey Collins Imudia Foundation dey share.
They never know me. We did nothing. Yes. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. A lot of people think they can distract us. We cannot distract us. We are a very responsible foundation and we have orientation. We know what to do, when to do. You know, just so you know, we are assaulted publicly by a man, but it's been taken care of by government. So we don't get muscle again to take follow person in the fight. Time we will take fight, no. We don't have muscle to fight. We'll let the law take its course neatly. So, but for all those who think they can distract us, you fail. We will continue. These are one of the obstacles that we get to see daily. But it comes with it. And then God, who set us out to say, come and rescue my people, is a very wise man, wise God. And I want to use this medium to appeal to members of the public. I beg you now, please share this video. If you are watching me, share this video. I beg every papa, every mama, every brother, sister, any country you are, beg your papa, your mama, your brothers and your sisters, may they stay inside their house. If Collins Imudia Foundation want feed poor people, tell them they don't come outside. We don't go their house, go call them, come out. I beg. I'm begging all of you now. I beg. We will not take this repeated issue again. We will sue anybody who comes to confront us again, to say why you put my sister for video. We will sue you to court. Collins Imudia Foundation is upright for you. Everybody, be you anything in this world. I'm appealing to you now because I will refer back to this video. They will play it in court. The day I will sue you, they will play it in court. That this boy came out and told you, tell your papa and your mama, may they stay inside their house. Tell your sisters and their brother, may they stay their house. If Collins Imudia Foundation, they share food, they come. Mona not come meet us, come collect. If you come, we they do our work, now transparency we they follow. We go put you for video. Because the people who send the money come want to see the people who they bless. This video will be used as evidence against you in court. The day where this kind of nonsense will happen again. We are a foundation, we just use brain, responsibility, tell Allah government do them. We will not fight anybody. Government is our fight, our strength. We will use government. But we are warning and appealing at the same time. Please and please, beg your family members to stay out. If we are sharing food, we will not go to your house. We will not come to your room. We will not come and knock at your gate. But when we are sharing outside, if your family member come outside, it means you are so broke. You cannot take care of them. Because we are out to help those that cannot feed themselves. So if anybody comes to benefit, God bless that person. If you come out again, be you anybody to come and track us again and start speaking jargons to us, we will show you the meaning of Collins Imudia. We will tell you that our smile not be fake, but we get the other side. We would have done drastic things just now, but as a foundation, it's not our job to go against the law. Instead, we will follow the law just the way it is. And that's why we follow the law. just the way it is. Let the law take its course. Let's continue with our work. In the meantime, please beg all your family members, all the rich men around the world watching me now, please, all the rich women around the world, Collins Imudia is begging you. Tell your people to stay inside. When they hear that they are sharing food, tell them not to come out. I'm appealing to you, because if this kind of mistake repeats itself again, it must see where Bolua. Don't be lying. Where your money reach, we want to see him. Collins Imudia Foundation is not just this guy you are seeing. You see this guy where you see so? If God open your eyes to see the people with the diaspora we're ready for you, you go not say you did mistake. Where your own dollars end. Now there's somebody who starts. So be careful the way you deal with us, everybody. I'm appealing to all of you. So that assault we just saw from that man, we won't sweep it under the carpet anyways, but we have already reported it and let the case law take its course. Because that is how a responsible person should behave. Rather than throwing blow back to him, slap him back, no. Let him come and explain why he decided to stop us along the road and assaulted us. Whatever evidences he has, let him go and bring it. You understand? So we're waiting for him. But that's by the wayside. Let's allow the Lord to do his own. So I'm appealing and I beg you now. I beg everybody, share this video please. Everybody tell your family to stay inside house. They get food. When they share food for outside though, no, we know they go, we get for us. It's okay. But you see we want share. We come by mistake. Can't give one woman yam, give one man rice. One person can't call me again. Say now so you go give my papa. Why you put on a video? Oga. Where your dollars end. Now there's somebody who starts. You go know say Collins Imudia Foundation get people that time. Thank you, Mama. Thank you all of you for your calls I've been getting. God bless you. Mama, where's my daughter? Mama from Amsterdam. Please speak from Sandra. Thank you, ma. You called Abuja immediately. Abuja called me and said I should give them the IPO's number. But I just said let's do it neatly. No, I court. Law take its course, not be we. Since he gets people, let's drag it, don't worry. So, but for us, we are appealing publicly now to the members of the public. We are out to help anybody who needs what we have. If we go out and share, tell your mother to stay at home. Tell your father not to come out. Tell your brothers not to come and take from us. We don't know anybody's father, we don't know anybody's mother, we don't know anybody's brother, we don't know anybody's sister. We just go about doing good. So if by chance we now do it, you now decide to come and accost us or come and call me again, we will sue you, no apology. Be you anybody across the world, Collins Imudia Foundation will write a full, we will sue you. I'm sure we will sue you. There's no doubt. So Mama Yemalia, God bless you, man. Mama Yemalia from Amsterdam, thank you for the love, all of you. Thank you all for the love. All my WhatsApp group members, thank you for the constant support and the calls. All of you started calling the whole world. Say, "Mo, see who he be," because they were hearing him say, "You know who I am." So they want to see who he be. Well, they know not be this word if I come. Because me don't know who he be. Who he be? I don't let the Lord take its course. Let's forget that one. We go know who he be. So, but for us, we go about our normal business of sharing food. We'll continue our work. We won't be distracted. All those distractions, enemies still say they want to use and distract us so that we'll forget. No, don't worry. We will continue. As we try to go, so we'll enter one area, we'll continue to share just now. You see? So tell all our haters that we're still working. Nothing do us. Yeah. So we did. If you take our kindness for foolishness, you are just mistaking us. We are not foolish. We are very wise and responsible. But we are using our normalcies because we know it's not common. You understand? So please tell all your family members, tell them they stay inside house. If you hear they are sharing food, stay. Because if you can be quarreling with me now, if I go and knock in your father's house and start telling them to come and take, I put on a video, which I won't do subsequently, which I've not even done apart from people telling me, which I won't do again. You understand? So if we stay in the street and want to distribute, nobody comes out, we'll move to a street that people will rush out and they'll take their things and go. So, but for we We will never go to your mother's house, your father's inside house and knock and bring them out. No. If we are sharing, they come outside, you'll see them for video. Don't worry yourself. So beg all your family members, if you have them in Benin, call them from whatever country you are watching me now. Call all of them. Say, Lao, simple, disgrace. We, Collins Imudia, will not be held responsible for any kind gesture we do to anybody. Because we did it to reduce the rate of hunger in Edo State. And we will maintain that status quo. We won't be distracted by anybody. Anybody. We are not distracted. We go about our normal business. We know they look into another person's own. We know they thief, we know they fight, we know they rob. We do our own, they go. If you find us come, we'll give unto you double. We are very respectful if you respect yourself. We are very arrogant if you decide to prove you are almighty. That's just for that. I just let me make this appeal so that because we're going to save this video today, we will use it as evidence in court against anybody who will ever call me again to say why you give mama. So tell your mommy enter house. If you not get gate before, go build for them. Tell your family to enter house. So may they let the common people, common Benin people not see food eat. May they can't take. We know they look for rich men to help their mama. We know they look for rich men to help their papa. Now poor people who want help, poor. So I'm appealing to everybody. Please tell your people to stay at home. When we come to the street, we park our car and say we want to share. Tell your people not come outside. Not disgrace me. Thank you. But in the meantime, because they're almost dark, I would have said let's continue the sharing tomorrow. But just so we disgrace our enemies, I will share it even if not torchlight we take share on today. Nah. Tomorrow we'll continue with the little remaining. Because we still have remaining, we'll share that one tomorrow. But today we will share them just now. So that if you think, say your aim, not to make sure, say we not get to share them today, you have failed. We are going to share in less than 3 minutes. I want to park now in an area. We'll share them. Shame will catch you wherever you're watching me from. Say, I be trying to stop them, but not succeed. That's all it be. You can only try, you cannot succeed. God pass you. It's a clear message to enemies of progress. So we're ready for all of them. Too much of everything is becoming so bad. You are taking our weakness, our smiles for weakness. You are messing up. We are not that gentle. We are only gentle when we see you respect yourself. If you come out to come and show yourself that you are almighty, God even that sent us the message will tell you that He is the only almighty. Not the C2. So no issue. Police, I'm your go. You feel me? When police, I'm your go. Bad for you. For person carry here, come and say what this kind. You don't know what people for body. Okay, I'm gonna arrange yourself. Beg your family, when they stay their house. And they beg all of you now. I beg. God bless you. Because I got so offended just now with that act of, I call it a recalcitrant act. But you won't distract us, that's the truth. We will continue our sharing process. So God bless all of you who've been calling me and saying, Collins, what's up? What happened? Who is that person? Let's know who he is in this town. Let's know who he is in this world. Whoever country you think he is, we want to know who supports him. God bless you all. We don't want trouble with anybody. But if you look for our own, we don't have a choice than to give it to you double. That's the truth. We don't want to engage in trouble, but we want you to know that we are equal to the task if he comes in, but not out of place. As law-abiding citizens, we will do things the way the law requires. That's why we did not take laws into our hands just now. And I thank my crew members for the maturity. I thank them. You know, you get the way Mama will take blink eye for Peking. You go know what it mean. You know, blinking eye for them when all of them want to carry their hand, come on, the CEO, all of them understand. They all live on. And so, God bless my crew. Because if they touch on just now, my knife for they come, so no need. I just told them, leave him. We'll leave him. Let's go through the proper channel. And that we have done. So God bless all of you for the support. We're at a particular area to distribute. Understand? We will continue the distribution purposely because of enemies. Please share. This video will be a mark and an evidence against anybody who refuse to tell their family. Tell your family members, stay their house. If this people share, they come. If you see their motto, enter house, not give, no collect. So we do. So, but once we park, to say we want share, if you want to benefit, we will just come out. We will give you without sentiment, without anything. So I'm appealing to all the big men in my area. Please and please, give your people food so that they will not come out when we come out. Let's see if we can do a little distribution here. We'll still go forward. But now my boots don't lock, so let's just do the little we can here. They can't distract me. None of them feel distract me. Make them know. They don't feel distract me. They cannot distract me. So you not agree open. Oh yeah. Where you call here to come and take? You cannot open the book. Bring one. If you can drag one bag out, drag it out. Let's carry them out. Bring it out. Bring it out. Don't put it in someone's house. You understand? Carry, give them. Let's go. Now time they go for us. Whoever come out, Aboki, take. Go and cook. Go and cook. And just give the woman and let's go. Go. Come and take. Give the we'll shall lay down one. It's not going to open since now. Oh yeah, give her here. Nowhere. God bless you. Give it here. Call you. It's a man. No, Aboki, not before una. Now women are the fine. They're too plenty. No, if you decide to give to them, go finish. We'll go that area. We'll go Masofia side. Take your own. God bless you. We'll go Mendoza here. Put this bag inside the motor. No, we cannot give you. Or if you want to give outside, if you give them 2 to 1, all these houses are 2 to 1. But they go share all of them, they live together. Follow on. Follow on, 12 now. 2 to 1. Do the distribution. Yeah, give that here. See people are rushing out of their homes. So if you get rich person, tell them stay house. So now those they come out, they come benefit them. This guy, man, you are slowing me down. I see this guy. Tell them to shift back. Give those women. Give the women. Yeah, Neruni man. Amen. Say man. God bless you, man. God bless you. And so God bless you. I better go. If you get big man, we get big mama. Tell me not come out to. Poor people will give. Aliu. If it's condition. Let's go to Yagi. Come, Agbe. Carry for motor go front that side. So Aboki for. Let's go. Agbe, let's go forward. So let's go and give to another people. All our enemies go shame. See, they don't go rush, they come. See, they run, they come.
They say they give you a man.
Tell me, come back. Come back. Here, come back. We go down on our side. We go. So you see that people are rushing out from their homes.
Yeah.
So somebody can tell me later, say that your mom be this. I don't know you. I don't want to know you. I don't go your house, go find your mama at the chef for street. If your mama come and Sarah, go take you the good and so na blessing. So na street we will park here. People will come out to give them. Yes, let's be here. Let's be here. Let's do it. See the people. We will not go call them. They better accept the rush. You come out. Or you carry it out and share. Drop and start sharing for the women. Hey, shift. Only women. Hey, give you a little. Only women. Give to women and men. Kelly JP, now you know. Have I give this one, baby, please? Give it one, baby. Just say God bless you. Finish. Give that here, please. Yeah, man. Help and roll out another one if you didn't say. Give them time and money for me.
That's the honorable.
I agree to you.
Yes.
Give them.
You're duty with.
God bless you. Bring it out. Don't talk to them. Just bring it out. Please stay orderly. I bet stay orderly. I bet join them. My boots did not open. Jam. I will get Panabita tomorrow.
Okay, let me see where.
Now I have to roll out from this angle, as you can see. My boot don't lock, so we have to carry it from the back seat. Do? So. Where the razor blade? Sorry, Udo. Where is your blade?
That is a blade. Where will I put?
Time and money they did that.
Community. Hey, boss.
Suffer. Oh, yeah, one, just go, man.
Give the man one. Give the woman one.
Safe journey.
Give the man one. Give the woman one. Give the man one.
Give woman, make they go. Rich man, tell your people, make they enter house. So now poor people will find for street too. Rich man, tell your mama, make they enter house. So now poor people will find. May reach your hand. Go and drop her now. Give me. So. God bless all of you. Okay, I think that's it for now. Maybe we should keep this for tomorrow. Let's add it to what we want to share tomorrow. Yeah? Please drop and back. Drop and back, man. Drop and let's go. Tomorrow we need to relax, yeah? A lot of we've done this today already. Let's just drop it. Tomorrow we'll go and add the former ones to these ones and we'll continue. No stopping, no distraction whatsoever. Yeah, so you understand? So that's the process. I came back live purposely so that enemies go shame. We not get any reason to. Now they want to come outside. Now we want to come out. Tomorrow we can come. We'll go home. We need to rest. We've done enough today. We need to rest. Tomorrow we'll continue. Because feeding of human beings now every day. Every day. So we need to feed our people every day so that they can live every day. God bless you all for your support. God bless you. Mama Yemalia from Amsterdam, thank you. Madam God, thank you. I see all of you calls. You know, it's Willow me all of you now. God bless all of you. All of you, Mama Sugar, everybody, all my WhatsApp contact, thank you all. Everybody relax today. Tomorrow will continue. Tomorrow will continue. It's a non-stop process. So for all those who thought maybe they won't put us, but we will not do. Sorry, we offend you. We still share, and we will still share. So that's it for today. We'll continue. We won't stop. So please share our videos. And if you have rich people, I'm still resounding it. Please, rich people, tell your people to enter our house. I beg. Collins Imudia, they come for streets. We don't want to see your people. Now, people will not see to eat. Now we define. Thank you. I advise all of them for house. Stay inside. If you hear they are sharing food, even if Naido State government won't share, then please don't take. Tell them like that. Because tomorrow, now, if Topo Naido State government go share food, fear for let somebody go meet Governor Obaseki. Say why do video? Fear will let you. So we will show you that we are responsible people. Hold on. Hey, me the wait. I want to end live video. All of you are still calling me. Yeah, I'm cool. And there are many of them don't know that I'm live now. There are many don't know. So they are calling me to check up on me. Many don't know. So, but it's okay. It's understood. We will do the needful. And we'll overcome them. I saw it be. I'll write title. No, I'll write title. Tomorrow I'll write title. Tomorrow I'll write title. No worry. I'm not the verse, serious. I'm not the verse. I just was offended. I don't like that thing. Serious, huh? But let's leave it like that. Let's sweep it under the carpet. Let's allow the law take its course. No, the way we don't get power. After God, na government. We just go about our normal business daily. So we just need more rest and all that. So God bless you all for being with me since. And then time is fast spent. I have to go home. My crew has to go home. I have to relax, you know. Hopefully by tomorrow we will come out, and then there's a possibility we might come out on time tomorrow. So now can you quickly distribute the food, go carry wardrobe, you know, do other things we want to do. Get carpenters to set the door. I saw the door and frame there today. You understand? So God bless you. Thank you all for your comments. I'm getting it. Please help me be begging all the rich men across the world to tell their family members to stay inside house. Because we not get, we dey manage, we dey want help people. So I beg, we don't stay inside house, no do our own. God bless you. Keep us in your prayers, keep us in your everything. You can tell us where we go. God bless you. I'll be with you tomorrow again live. God bless you. I need to relax now. Thank you.
If you know say you like wetin Collins Imudia Foundation dey do for Edo State and you like to support am, his phone number dey this video. Make you call am, discuss with am, and if account number still dey here. So abeg, this video, help us share am, share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.